Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up the BestMow robot lawnmower through the app on your smartphone so that you can get this up and running and ready to go. I'm on an Android device, so I'm going to download and install the BestMow app through the Google Play Store. If you're on an Apple device, it's going to be through the App Store, but launching that. And then in the search area, we're going to search for BestMow, and we're going to search for that. And then the app should show up, the BestMow app right there, so we're going to install it. And then it's going to download and install the BestMow app onto our smartphone. And then we can either open it from here, or we're going to go back to our home page. And I want it right on the home page of my phone, so I'm going to drag up to see all of my apps. They're in alphabetical order, so I'm going to drag and drop the BestMow app where I'd like it to be located so that I have easy access to it right there. So now I'm going to launch the BestMow application. And if this is your first time setting up the BestMow, you can do that simply by linking a Google account, or you can click the sign up option right there. I'm just going to use the same email that I had used during the purchase process. And I just simply linked my Google account. So now at this point, what I want to do is add this BestMow lawnmower to the app. So I'm going to click on the add option right there. And I'm going to give the app location permission. And if you haven't already set up the antenna, you can do so at this point. And then we're going to go on to the next page. I'm going to select my antenna, and then configure your Wi-Fi internet connection. Select your Wi-Fi router, enter in your router password. And once your antenna's location is fixed, do not change it, as this can affect the robot's localization accuracy. So I have it in a fixed location, and I'm waiting for it to pick up enough satellites where it's in the green zone. So I'm going to wait for it to do that. And once we hit that green zone, then I'm going to click here where it says fixed RTK location. So now we have a good Wi-Fi signal, we have enough satellites that we're connected to, and our antenna is online. So it says to not place the BestMow indoors, such as in a garage or similar location. The charging station should be installed away from obstacles and trees, approximately 2 meters from the wall. So I had it up here close to the wall, so I moved it a little bit away for now to see if I can get it hooked up and connected. So we're going to retry this. And we get that the connection has been successful.